everyone! Today I will speak about the food and cooking chemistry. What an amazing topic. This is so modern, so scientific. So come with me, I will present you three very famous master chefs. So hello, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
So what could you say to the TV viewers about your job and the food chemistry in particular?
Hi, I'm Laetitia and I work in food chemistry for 2 years.
Hi, my name is Amélie. I'm a student in cooking school in Paris. I spent 3 years in Escom chemistry school, but I didn't like it and I chose the way of cooking.
Hi, my name is Tiffany Wambro. I have my own restaurant in Paris. His name is Le Bienvenu, and I like cooking since I am a child.
Oh, it's so amazing. So, this is really interesting. But about your meal, what is your choice for today?
First, I will cook an hard-boiled egg. Then I will prepare caramel.
And we will finish with a chocolate mousse.
That will be delicious. Oh, it's amazing, but I didn't understand why did we add salt or vinegar in the water to do a hard-boiled egg?
Because vinegar or salt accelerates the coagulation of the egg. So if you have a leak in the shell of your egg, it can coagulate immediately.
Oh, it's amazing, but everything is chemistry in cooking.
Yeah, of course.
We think we have just to cook the egg during 10 minutes. Not exactly. Sometimes the egg white is rubbery. It is composed of 90% of water and 10% of proteins. Protein molecules are bigger than water, and during the heating, the egg white protein molecules unroll and they attach them with sulfur atoms. We have a sort of net who catch water molecule. More we eat, and more water escape. The egg white overcook and become hard and compact.
It's the same rule with the yolk. Inside the egg, but the coagulation is 68 degrees Celsius. So to have a perfect hard-boiled egg, we have just to cook it in the water at 69 degrees Celsius. Of course, the water is cooler than habitually. So we have to put the egg more than 10 minutes in the water.
But I have a really good question. Why sometimes eggs smell very bad? I'm sure Tiffany has a solution.
That's a good question. Cooking should not be too long. The egg white is composed of protein with sulfur atom. If the egg is overcooked, there is release of gas, the hydrogen sulfide, famous for its rotten egg smell. So the gas contaminates the egg and sometimes you can see some green color.
Thank you, Tiffany. It was perfect. But I have a last question for me and the TV viewers. How to remove the shell easily?
You have just to put the egg in vinegar, and the shell is calcium and it reacts with the acid acetic in the vinegar with this reaction. We can see CO2 bubbles.
Hey, it's again me. We will now learn how to make a really good caramel with the second master chef, Laetitia.
Today I will present you how to make the caramel and the secret it hides. The caramelization is a reaction that occurs during cooking.
Thank you, Laetitia. But to make caramel, what are the molecules involved in this reaction?
The caramel is formed when heating saccharose and water. By heating the mixture, water evaporates and saccharose dissociates into two simple sugars, glucose and fructose. When the temperature is increased, these simple sugars will recombine and form new molecules. So they form dyes and aromatic caramel. For this experience, take 60 grams of sugar and also 5 grams of water. Mix all ingredients and start to eat. To make caramel, it's necessary to heat the saccharose beyond its melting point at 186 degrees. So, at 100 degrees, the mixture begins to boil. This reaction is characterized by browning and the release of a special aromatic smell. At the end, you get the caramel, which 35% is composed of alpha and beta fructanose. The rest is composed of other sugars, but an infinite part is volatile. At 150 degrees, the mixture thickens. Finally, at 190 degrees, the mixture is carbonized as you show the color brown.
Thank you, Laetitia. It was fantastic. Now we will know the secret of the chocolate mousse with Amélie.
To prepare a chocolate mousse, we need chocolate, sugar, and white eggs.
Thank you, Amélie. But why the chocolate has this bitter taste?
This bitter taste is given by the molecule of theobromine. This molecule doesn't contain bromine atom, as its name indicates, but theobromine is another name for cacao and means food for gods in Greek. To improve the stability of the mousse, we can raise the viscosity of the liquid. We understand easily that a bubble in viscous liquid has difficulties to ascend, and the liquid flows hardly. It is a dispersion, and we need a liant, and the only one authorized is soja lecithin, also called phosphatidylcholine, PC. Moreover, the viscosity is rising when we add sugar in our egg white. Sugar allows to reduce surface tension between bubbles and the liquid. It permits to decrease the size of bubble, and so the mousse is more stable. Why we use the phosphatidylcholine is that it contains an hydrophilic groups and an hydrophobic groups.
Chocolate, chocolate. But Amélie, what is chocolate?
These two phases are dispersed phases formed by solid particles non-fat, sugar or cacao. The maximum size for this particle is 25 micrometers to avoid a sandy texture. And the second phase is formed by solid fats, cacao butter, and containing a lot of aromatic molecules.
Thank you, girl, for your demonstration, and thank you, everyone, for your attention. See you soon for another amazing meal.